I've been associated with Kiran Zada Associates and Ashish Sir since last 5 years. I like their teaching style. They try to make complex material very easy to understand, and then they provide actionables that one can follow through on. In terms of the content of wave theory, it has been always very fearful to get into it, but the way they have made it simple and easy to understand,
Right.
thank you very much for that.
Thank
And the price that we have paid, it's absolutely nominal. And I would say each and every market participant, whether it is mutual fund or direct equity, one should understand where we are standing.
right.
Without that gaze, we will not be able to know whether we'll be making real money or not. So it is
Absolutely.
a must for each and every participant. And I wish very best to Kiran Zadav and Associates. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind feedback.